We had a crazy mishap at our hotel, but we're not going to let it ruin our day. So,
come with us.
All right, so welcome back to BA Adventures.
Hello.
We had our shower on all night in our hotel room.
It wasn't on full blast.
It wasn't on full blast. Like I had the thing turned all the way off. I guess there's some piece in there that just wouldn't stop the water from just coming out of the faucet.
Yeah.
So
it was a sauna in there.
Yeah, it was hot water, which was the
steamy.
weird thing. So anyway, we are back at Kings Island today. We're gonna have a day at the park.
Don't get the rope drop.
We did not get to rope drop. However, it is before full opening for like 6 minutes. But we've got some things that we've still got to ride. I haven't ridden Invertigo yet.
I haven't either.
And neither has Ashley. We're gonna go up in the Eiffel Tower today as well.
Want to do that for
So
sure.
let me show you guys that real quick. It's right there in front of us.
Get a good view of the park.
Yep, very good view of the park. And then we've got Racer. Ashley still has to ride because it was actually smoother. Here, we're kind of walking through the middle of the parking lot. Let's get to the sidewalk. And then, yeah, so that's basically me here today. I've got to find a cheeseburger to try here. I've not tried one here yet. Okay, I'm still on that pursuit of the best cheeseburger in a theme park. So there is that.
What is it so far?
So far it's Silver Dollar City with that barbecue smash burger.
Okay.
So it's gonna be hard to beat
Not
that.
the summer one.
No, not the. I haven't had the summer one yet. But anyway, we will see you guys when we get inside. Made it inside, and I gotta tell you, this park, when you walk in, it just kind of really hits you, and you see everything, all the little like Tudor-style Dutch-looking facades of the shops and everything, and then
It's so beautiful.
I think it's like a 1/3 scale Eiffel Tower.
Oh, we want to talk about the pizza. We
Yes.
learned last night. So John.
Yeah, Clet.
Okay. So he runs some of the Facebook channel or groups,
He runs a Facebook coaster group. Yeah.
and so we met.
I can't
up with
remember which
him.
one it is. It's like Coaster Pulse, Coaster Fanatic, something crazy like that. I can't remember off the top of my head. Coaster Craze? Coaster Craze. I think it's Coaster Craze. Anyway, this La Rosa's here.
People
is
are
an-
getting their breakfast in right now.
Yes.
Wow.
It is an Ohio-based
Delicacy.
pizza place. And we couldn't figure out why people were stopping so late at night. Well, he went and grabbed us a couple slices of pizza that we shared.
Best theme park pizza we've ever had.
Facts. It is the best theme park pizza.
So I would
Without a
highly
doubt.
recommend getting that.
Yes.
It's a good bang for your buck. Like a meal was 2 slices and 2
Breadsticks.
breadsticks.
Now, he says when you go to the actual La Rosa's outside of the
Way
park
better.
is way better. But what they do here, since they mass make them and everything because of the amount of people in the park, he says it's kind of like heated down. But man, I don't know. People were saying that the Skyline chili was watered down here, and I didn't mind it.
I didn't mind it, but we also don't have it to compare to. So,
Also true.
you know, but that's what we're going to go with today.
Yes. All right. So what are we doing first, Ash?
Do you want to go ahead and do the Eiffel Tower?
You want to just knock out the Eiffel Tower
Yes.
right now? All
I'm
right.
concerned that it will shut down. The weather here is really bizarre to us. There won't be anything going on, and they'll just shut stuff down.
Yeah. So we found out that was based off of news and what the news is saying. And the fastest one to shut down is Invertigo.
We've noticed.
So after we go up in this,
Right.
we will head over to Invertigo. So see you guys when we get to the top of the Eiffel Tower. All right, we have made it to the top of the Eiffel Tower. This There is Orion and Racer right over there, followed by Banshee and the Bat right over there. And from what I've been told, I think down in that little valley all the way down there, I don't know if you can see that or not through there. There we go. Look at a little valley and the trees over there. There's river. I am told that Kings Island owns all of those wooded lands all the way out to there. So hopefully they build some stuff up. Oh, hey, there is Adventure Express right there down below. And then there is the Beast and Diamondback with a little bit of Mystic Timbers right in there. What a awesome thing to add in to a park. And you've got Planet Snoopy, Camp Snoopy over here with Woodstocks, Flyers. And then off in the distance there, you guys can see their water park right over there. And then we'll walk to the front side over here. And you'll have Invertigo and that beautiful entrance to the park right below. So, all right, well, we're going to enjoy our little look around here. And we will see you guys when we come down. All right, we are back on solid ground, thankfully.
It wasn't that bad up there, though.
Actually,
it's like
no.
caged in. Crazy thing, it is a misdemeanor if you spit off of the Eiffel Tower.
Or kick anything off of there in the state of Ohio. So
Yeah. So obviously somebody did something stupid.
yeah, that's why rules are put in. So anyway, that being said, we are going to head over to Invertigo. I have not seen it. I saw it test when we got here, but I haven't seen it go since. So either nobody is riding it. Oh, there it goes.
It's
Okay, so we're good.
15 minutes.
It's less than 15 minutes. We're going to go knock that one out.
Hope,
So-
because this is our third time trying to get on it.
Yeah. Also, if you are scared of heights going up into the Eiffel Tower, don't be. It is enclosed. It's not too bad unless you are deathly scared of like being way up there. But other than that, it was a great experience.
And for reference, Brady is scared of heights. So I mean,
I am.
if you can do it, I feel like anyone could.
I am scared of heights because I have the feeling that I might get pushed over. And I don't.
I thought about it for a second, but then I was like, misdemeanor. Just kidding.
So anyway, being said, we will see you when we get to Invertigo. All right, we have made it to Invertigo, knocking off the last coaster that I need to ride here. Anyway, we will see you after the ride. All right, just got off of Invertigo. That was pretty smooth, actually.
It wasn't as rough as I was thinking it was going to be.
Same.
So there are warning signs that like not wear earrings or hearing aid like devices when you're on it, which makes you like super paranoid that your head's going to be docile.
We learned from Rougarou on that one.
Yeah. So that being said, going backwards up was not bad at all. Or forwards, I guess. Forwards wasn't bad. Back was a little more rough, in my opinion.
It was.
But it wasn't like terrible.
No, it was a good ride. It was a good ride. I mean, it's a boomerang coaster, which are like, but I mean,
it's a different ride we'll place out.
Yeah, it is. If you're about the coaster credits, I mean, obviously you get the credit, but that's not a ride that's going to bring you to this park. So
what ride is going to bring you to this park?
The Beast. The Beast, 1000% is going to bring you to this park. Phantom,
yes.
Theater will bring you to this park.
I loved it.
So,
my favorite.
Yep. Alrighty, we are going to go jump on the racer for Ashley. See you guys when we get over there. All right, we have made it to the racer. So now it is Ashley's turn to try this thing out. I rode it last night. Smoother than I expected it to be. So anyway, we will see you when we get off, and we'll let Ashley talk about what she thought about it. All right, so we just rode the racer, and we jumped over to Adventure Express right after. So Ashley, what did you think of the racer?
I loved it. I could ride it again. It is a wooden roller coaster. However, it is so smooth. The only thing that rattles is your feet, so it's not that bad. It's a foot massage.
Yeah, it is. And then, so I rode Adventure Express last night. Reminded me a lot of Thunderation while riding it. little bit rougher in my opinion, but it's still a lot of fun, a lot of cool theming to it. What do you think, Ash?
I'm not a fan. I love the theming though. There's a lot of theming throughout the queue and even when you're on the ride, which I think is super fun. Other than that, it is a one and done for me. It's pretty rough.
Yeah. So, all right, we're gonna go over here right outside and grab us something to eat at Enrique's Cantina. So we will see you guys when we get in there. All right, we have made it here to Enrique's Cantina. I have been told that it is basically like a Chipotle Chipotle style of getting food. So we're gonna go in here and we're gonna see what they got on the menu. All right, we have made it inside, and as you can see, you've got tacos, chips and dip, and you've got burrito bowls, or adventure port bowls is what they call them. Oh, we can add a tortilla to any bowl. I see that now. All right. So anyway, that this literally does look exactly like a Chipotle. So anyway, I'll let you know what we get here in a minute. Okay, so we got our food, and they're just the basic like burrito bowls like you can get at Chipotle or Qdoba and things like that.
But
so
it's nice to have like a good option. Like, but I will say I am really noticing that there's no kids meals anywhere.
yeah, there's no kids meals or menus, and that's just a little bit of a problem. However, I think most of the kids may not really come over this direction.
Well, even in other
Because they'll stay
restaurants.
over at, yeah, but we haven't eaten anywhere near Camp Snoopy or Planet Snoopy, so I feel like there's more kid options over there. So anyway, we are going to, I don't know why that camera is pointed like way up in the sky right there like that. It's like crazy. So we are going to finish up eating, and then we will head over to Phantom Theater because I know Ash is itching to get on that ride.
I will say.
And she's trying to beat me at that ride, and she won't do it.
They don't go stingy on the toppings. The amount of cheese, I feel like we went over to Skyline Chili and they dumped cheese on us. So that being said, like you're not getting stingy, you're getting a full portion of food in this restaurant. It may be just
It is good.
Yeah. It may
Really
be a
good.
tad heavy to go from a ride to a ride. Just kind of FYI. You're eating Mexican food. So but this is delicious. Very flavorful. Highly recommend it. And I feel like it's a good bang for your buck.
Oh, 100%.
So without our dining plan, it would have been like $20. We could have split this.
Oh, 100%.
Because it is large.
Yeah.
As you can see. But we have a dining plan, so we're going to eat this. But I highly suggest this if you're trying to save a little bit of money.
Yeah. If you're just coming here and you don't have a season pass or a meal plan, this might be something to share with someone.
Yeah.
So, alrighty. Anyway, we are going to finish this, and we will see you when we get to Phantom Theater. All right. We are stuffed from that food at Enrique's.
So good.
It was a lot more than I expected it to be. But we are here at Phantom Theater. We're going to let that food settle and try and capture some ghost notes.
Very excited. I love this little ride.
Ash is going to lose again. See you guys after. Okay, so we just got off that fun little ride. I
always.
increased my top score by about 100,000. Got 946,000 points.
Blah, 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 blah.
Ash lost again.
It's so fun. I love that ride.
It is
That
a fun little ride.
The best ride in Kings Island, in my opinion.
That's her opinion. Mine is the beast. Surprisingly, yeah. If you've been watching this for a while, you'll know that wooden coasters don't agree with us. That one agreed with me. So I'm surprised. Very surprised. So anyway, we're going to go get something famous for Kings Island here in a minute. And we'll show you what that is when we get there. If you have followed us for a while, you will know that Ashley is an ice cream connoisseur. She is in line waiting. So the famous thing about ice cream here at Kings Island is the blue ice cream. It is a blueberry flavored ice cream. So we're going to get it and we're going to try that out. So we will see you here in a little bit.
Okay, so look at that pour. I'm really excited. So this is a delicacy for Kings Island. They're known for the blue ice cream, which we were told it is blueberry flavored. You could get a twist of vanilla and blue, but I decided let's go hardcore, let's go blue. So it's regularly around $9 with our season pass, but at about 10% off, so tax essentially. That being said, I mean, it's a good size amount.
Better hurry. It looks like it's starting to melt. Okay, she didn't wait.
Very blueberry. So good.
I'm gonna try it.
So good.
It's not bad.
Mm.
That's actually really not bad. I'm kind of surprised by that one. So, all right, we're gonna enjoy this, and then we will talk to you guys in a second.
It's really good.
Okay, blue ice cream down. All coasters ridden here at Kings Island. What else is there to do?
Well,
We're gonna do something that Ashley never does or wants to do at a theme park, and that is
we're gonna go back to the hotel and take a nap. we are kind of a little tired.
We are. We've been hitting hard the past
yeah.
few days.
So I think we deserve a nap. A
Yep.
little treat yourself. Treat yourself to a nap.
So we're gonna go back to the hotel room. We're gonna take a nap, and then we're gonna come back later on. So that's gonna be in another video about trying to find the best theme park cheeseburger. I might go have one. It may be another video. I may not film another video. I don't know. We did not film another video, but still. That being said, if you do want to keep up with any more of our theme park videos, Kings Island videos, Cedar Point, anything with the Six Flags Cedar Fair Corporation, Silver Dollar City, just any theme park that we go to, hit that like button, the subscribe button, and that
Bell notification
so that
button.
you guys don't miss out on any more of our adventures. And with that,
Bring on the next adventure.
bye guys.